thanks so much for joining me. So I'm here to share with you my easy folios. I believe this is number 4 in the series. So if you are not a regular follower, I've done several easy folio designs. I'll leave a link to the playlist in the description box below where you can see all of them. Okay, so this is number 4. I'm going to do a quick show and tell, a flip through, then explain how you can get the cutting guide for making it, and just give you a little bit of extra information about all of the other folios and projects that I have been creating over the last few months, and how you can get your hands on all of the elements. Okay, so let's have a quick look at this. We've been busy. We have been so busy the last few months. So I've done a very simple closure with the half circles, okay, and you can use ribbon or twine, or you can design a different closure, or you can add magnets, but I try and design them super simple for people that maybe don't have magnets. Anybody can cut a circle. So here on the front we've got a large pocket. Now I've designed this specifically for photos, but obviously you can use it for journaling or memory keeping of any description. So this photo mat will fit 4x6 photos, and obviously 2 on the front and 2 on the back. So I've kept it really simple with the decoration. This is only glued on very close to the top, so you can still slide the photos underneath. Okay, it holds very easily at least 20 photos, but you could put more in. Okay, and so if you build up your collection of the easy folios, you're going to have lots and lots of fantastic memory keeping, and they're fun and quick to make. So we've got another large pocket here, and again 4x6 photo mats. The collection that I've used is my December daily collection, which is available to Ko-fi subscribers. Okay, and then over here we've got this lovely stacked side pocket, again with more photo mats. These ones are 4x4 and these ones are 4x5, and I've made really good use of the digitals by cutting the height to 7 and then using strips to decorate the bottom, so it almost just looks like it runs through, and it's meant to be like that. And that's a really good way of using your digital papers, as opposed to 12x12 scrapbooking paper, which can be expensive. These digitals don't cost my Ko-fi subscribers anything because they get them free. So that runs through there. So obviously we've got that double stacked pocket for these lovely photo mats. Okay, or you can use them as journaling cards, or you could stick, like I say, your memory keeping ephemera in there. Then it opens like so, and we've got this lovely centre part here with another lovely large photo mat 4x6s. Perfect. All you've got to do is add your photos, and then this here, it almost looks like it's one piece, and you can't even really tell where the pockets are because of the way it's designed, but that's a flip pocket there, that flips open. Okay, and we've got more of the beautiful papers. And these papers were originally designed to create a December daily, but the papers are so versatile you can use them for anything. Another photo mat there with just a little character just glued low down so you can still slip photos under, and then another beautiful pocket there with this lovely background paper, and it's just lovely, and it all just flows nicely. It's quick and easy to put together. I made this in next to no time. Let me just get that gingerbread person in there and there. Okay, and then at this side here we've got a very simple pocket locked with 2 photo mats. I've used one of the embellishments from the collection there, and you know, it's flexible, so you can just lift this section and you've got a waterfall. Okay, one. I haven't decorated the back because I'm just going to put photos straight in there. So you've got 6 photos will go there, and then you can put another one in there if you so desire. And then it just holds like that, and we've got these lovely photo mats. Again, I've just used part of one of the journal pages to line those with, and I think it looks really, really pretty. Okay, that one there and that one there. All right, and then it folds, so that closes like that. That closes like that, and then on the back, I've already shown you that pocket. That closes like that, that goes there, and you fasten it, and I've left the back plain. Okay, you could add another pocket if you like. Just use the sizing of this pocket here or this pocket here. So the cutting guide, the tutorial and cutting guide will be up. What date is it today? I'm going to put it up between Christmas and New Year. The reason being, I think people have got enough to do. And traditionally people don't watch an awful lot of videos on YouTube over Christmas. So the cutting guide will be up. It will only be available to my Ko-fi subscribers to start with. Okay, this one isn't for sale. Sometimes I sell them. This one isn't. The cutting guide for this will be for sale in January, along with another small folio project and a storage box. So I'm saving it and I'm going to do a bundle. But my Ko-fi subscribers that pay monthly will get this in the next few days. Okay, and the tutorial will be up the same day that they get the cutting guide. So that's this project. And what I try and do for my Ko-fi subscribers is I try and give them a folio every month and a journal every month, as well as digital collections. So they're getting a really good bargain. So these are some of the previous ones. Okay, that's another small folio, beautiful. This was another one we did, which was in ballerina papers, which they got for free. And then I did do a larger one using my soft steampunk papers, but this one's nay. It's naked because I actually gifted my one that I did away. So that's 1, 2, 3, and that would be 4. Okay, and then these are the journals that we've been making for our Journaling Joy. They get everything. I've done a tutorial on the cover. They get the digital papers, and I'm going to be doing some videos on decorating, but it is going to run into the new year because it's Christmas and we all need a bit of a break. So there we go. If you're one of my Ko-fi subscribers, keep an eye out. Probably the day after Boxing Day for the cutting guide for this and the tutorial. I hope you like it. I hope you'll consider coming and joining the Ko-fi subscription group. There's a video below every video that I put out now. I leave a video link to how you can join and what it's all about. So this is going to be what we're going to be making, and I'll be doing a few videos on this, and then I'll be getting ready and designing the next one, because we do 12 collections, one for every month of the year, as well as the folios, as well as the free digitals. So there we go. I hope you like that. It's really, really quick and easy. So if you want to do some crafting over the Christmas break, you can create this in next to no time. I've kept it super simple on purpose. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic time over the festive period, however you choose to celebrate, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.